Here's a situation where a customer wanted to only buy the console. I had a previous video that was taken at night, and the connection turned out to be pretty good. The piece that was coming out of this housing here was all cracked. You couldn't even pull it off, so I cut it and welded it and put a step up from 2.5 to 3, which is not usually ideal. I always like to keep it 3 on 3 or 2.5 on 2.5 or 2 on 2, depending on the size of your blower, or 4 on 4 on a 59. Anytime you use a certain size blower, you want to use the right pipe convention, but in this case I got this tank sight unseen. I had no idea. When I said, he told me it was a 3-inch and it turned out to be a 2.5, so I made the situation happen and we made the connection. We got the whole machine in the truck. Again, he only bought the 47 console. He didn't buy any tank, and he's had this tank for a while on his White Magic. So it worked out pretty good. We used an extra long hardwall 3.5. Made a good connection, tested the unit, came out really good. He's going to augment this setup by putting other things in here, but he basically wanted the standard setup with the console and the tank, and I did the final test, which came out really nice. As usual, these machines really perform very well. 47XL is a real strong unit, like all the rest of them. Very well built. Very expensive materials go into this. A lot of workmanship. All handcrafted truck mounts. Come out beautiful. And as you can see, we have an instructional decal at the bottom. And ran really good. And we got good suction out of this too. It just came out really good. The operational test and temperature and vacuum came out really good. And these would have been the tanks that he would have purchased over here. One of these tanks, which are all marine aluminum, 11 gauge, heavy duty. They got several baffles inside, real sturdy, and they're bi-directional. So you can use left feed to right hand feed depending on the compact series that you buy from us. Whether you buy the compact series, it's the left feed, or the SE series like you saw in the trailer, which is on the right. But either way, it came out good. So any one of you guys have a decent tank and you decide you just want to buy the console, I'm willing to help you out in making that adaptation to your recovery tank, and I'll pair it up correctly. Call us today at 727-505-2989. This is Pete Garland at Blue Baron Truck Mounts in Lecanto, Florida. Thank you.